How does an operations function play a significant role in ensuring the success of a company? 1. Operations function is responsible for managing the production and delivery of goods and services, directly impacting customer satisfaction and loyalty. 2. It plays a crucial role in optimizing resources, improving efficiency, and reducing costs to enhance the company's profitability. 3. Operations function ensures effective supply chain management, including procurement, inventory management, and logistics, to meet customer demands and maintain a competitive edge. 4. It drives process improvements and innovation, identifying opportunities to streamline operations, enhance quality, and introduce new products or services. 5. Operations function plays a key role in achieving operational excellence, focusing on continuous improvement, lean principles, and waste reduction to maximize productivity and efficiency. 6. It collaborates with other functions such as marketing, finance, and R&D to align strategies, support new product development, and ensure smooth commercialization and market success. 7. Operations function ensures compliance with industry regulations, quality standards, and ethical practices to build trust and maintain the company's reputation. 8. It manages risk and resilience, identifying and mitigating potential disruptions in the supply chain, production process, or external factors to ensure business continuity. 9. Operations function plays a critical role in capacity planning, resource allocation, and production scheduling to meet fluctuating market demands and optimize resource utilization. 10. It focuses on customer centricity, understanding customer needs, preferences, and expectations, and translating them into efficient and effective operations processes. 11. Operations function embraces digital transformation and leverages technology advancements to enhance automation, data analytics, and real-time decision-making capabilities. 12. It fosters a culture of collaboration, teamwork, and employee engagement, empowering employees to contribute ideas, solve problems, and drive operational excellence. 13. Operations function monitors key performance indicators, KPIs, such as productivity, quality, delivery time, and cost to measure and improve performance. 14. It plays a pivotal role in sustainable practices, including environmental stewardship, resource efficiency, and social responsibility, to meet evolving stakeholder expectations. 15. Operations function supports innovation and product lifecycle management, ensuring efficient production processes, timely market launches, and effective lifecycle management. 16. It adapts to changing market dynamics, competitive pressures, and customer preferences, driving agility and responsiveness to stay ahead in the market. 17. Operations function establishes strong relationships with suppliers, vendors, and partners, fostering collaboration and mutually beneficial partnerships for sourcing and procurement. 18. It continuously evaluates and improves the effectiveness and efficiency of operations strategies, processes, and systems to drive long-term growth and profitability. 19. Operations function plays a pivotal role in creating a culture of continuous learning, knowledge sharing, and process improvement to enhance operational capabilities and competitiveness. 20. It aligns operations with the overall business strategy, ensuring that operational decisions and actions are in line with the company's vision, goals, and values.